Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam mirror display stand. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some teardrop pendants and some white faux pearls. Both of these are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now you're also going to need some of this silver bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need, if you choose to make a pair, you'll need 2 of these round mirrors. You'll need some foam board from Dollar Tree. They have it on a big sheet that comes in a big sheet size. However, I'm going to be using this scrap that's already cut to the size of the mirror. So you'll need a big piece of foam board. And you're going to need 2 packs of these glass Tealight holders. I have the round shape, but if you can't find round, you can use whatever shape they have in stock. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will list them in the description box below for you. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant crystal display stands turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now, let me know in the comment section which of these two you prefer. Do you prefer the pedestal with the pearls, or do you prefer just the clear glass pedestal? Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.